After walking through the product features, you can see that Listenwise is a comprehensive but flexible tool to bring listening to your students. We often have teachers ask us how to use Listenwise in the classroom, so here are a few ideas. These are a few instructional approaches to using podcasts, from whole class listens to small group activities to individual students listening on their own with customized supports. You can also use our stories to meet a number of instructional goals, such as meeting speaking and listening standards, prepping for the listening portion of your state test, or even working on writing skills. Since there are so many different ways to use Listenwise, we put together a first month of Listenwise guide to help you get started. These activities involve different levels of digital access and various instructional goals. Thank you for watching today's webinar. I hope it gave you a good overview of Listenwise and equipped you with the tools needed to get started. I encourage you to check out the Teacher Support Center for more resources and ideas to get started. And join our Facebook Listenwise education community to connect with other educators about teaching listening. Thank you again and happy listening.